What's up guys, Thomas here, Typ of Rc-Xtreme, the gravel pit. It's such a bad weather this past week and basically the regular spot is flooded, so I'm just gonna mess around here and see what we can do. Some kind of big air, a boost jump or what you call it. As you can see, there's no point for me driving over there, which are my normal spot. So I'm just gonna do some jumping here and maybe head over there and see how it looks. At the end I'm gonna go through the car breakdown and inform about the tuning I have done. So let's go. Okay, take one, mega abyss jump. What do you say? Oh, so much dirt in my eyeball. Yeah, I barely made it. Awesome with a backflip. I'll see if I'm able to drive this beast back. I hope so. Because I want to show you, I'm gonna park it just there. Sand everywhere. Temps are quite good, 18 degrees Celsius over here. The 12S beast is ready for a rip. Still haven't done a solution with a rear sway bar, which in my opinion is a must. The car is of course drivable, but it's so much roll. Let's see here. Maybe I don't need to go all the way down. Okay, we can take off the lid and then I'm gonna after that I'm gonna shut down. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. If something is broken or so. Maybe a little bit bent, but that's nothing to talk about. One piece. Same with the front and the rear. Suspension feels great. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm gonna continue over there. See you soon. What I have. Same crap over here. Okay, so I'm gonna go down to the other regular spot where I normally jump with the 12S beast because I'm not gonna drive into this. I hate this. I just wanna run my. I hope there's no water there. Nope. The land is soft, good grip. Ooh. cars over here so we can get some better angles. Too slow. Walking 50 meters, not 500 miles. Turtle time. Oh, one traction all over there. Such an amazing car to drive. This Conversionkit makes a really good car. Outstanding in my opinion. Oh, talk about saves. Okay. That was strange. Oh, I think it's gonna let this one cool down a bit. I think it's extremely hot, to be honest. Yes, sir. This is not good. Okay, let's see it. Hope you can see this, guys. 39 degrees Celsius on the say 42. You can 61, 70, 54 is the motor mount, 62. Yeah, 70. It's boiling hot. Could probably be around 75 or more. We're gonna let it cool down and go with another car. So done with the bashing today. Went out real well. The motor is extremely hot, so everything shut down in the end, basically when I stopped the car. So I'm just gonna let it cool. Anyway, a quick breakdown. You already know the other parts. I'm gonna go through them extremely quickly. It's the conversion kit for the Traxxas Sledge from M2C Racing. This is the Jackhammr. So it's a much longer. Did we bend it? Slightly. But all braces seems to be good. Anyway, chassis 775 T6 aluminum, motor mount reverse, motor rear support, top plate, front diff mount, top chassis brace, towers, the extremely good body posts. I might missed to mention them in the previous breakdowns. ZRS caps with O-ring pistons, beefier front and rear center shafts, the beefier rear dog bones, their own out drives, outer hinge pins for the front and rear hubs, EC mount. What I'm driving rest is the 4985 1650 Max 6 Thunder Rose fan, of course. Max Savux 1230 6000 45C 6S brick. What I've done from the previous sessions is I got the Traxxas firmest front and rear springs and went up to 900 CST on all 4 shocks, so it's a lot better. And the extended hex, sorry I missed that, with the awesome nuts. You have a great time. Like if you want, thumbs up if you want, you know, the usual. It's all up to you. I had a great session. Take care and see you soon.